Hello, it's Katie Baccus with the Baccus Realty Group here in Scottsdale, Arizona. And many of you, I'm sure, are asking what is going on with our market. If you're a potential home buyer searching for a home, especially if you're in that sweet spot of 300 to 400,000 single family home, inventory is notoriously low right now, and I'm sure that you're feeling it. This is what's going on. So I'm sure you saw that article. It was a big article that came out that said that Phoenix was the fastest growing by population in the country. We have just about 225 people moving to Phoenix alone. Now that doesn't include Scottsdale, Gilbert, Chandler. Phoenix alone, we have 225 people moving here. And we quite literally don't have enough homes. We are experiencing somewhat of a housing shortage. So when something clean and properly priced hits the market, it goes. And a lot of our clients are starting to feel that heat, and they're starting to feel somewhat defeated. I have one client that we're now on their 5th offer, bless her heart, and she's starting to feel defeated, questioning if she should just put the whole process on hold. And this is my advice. I do not see any indication of this market slowing down. I think it's time to get incredibly tough skin here and put your best foot forward on every single offer. The days where we could offer $10,000 under list price and ask for seller to help with our closing costs, those days are not as prevalent. Those days are somewhat gone. And I'm generalizing here. Of course, there's properties where you can still submit lower offers, and if it's been on the market a while, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But for the most part, if you're looking within that super competitive price range, 300 to 400,000 single family home, you really have to put your best foot forward. Other ways to sweeten the deal that we've been coaching clients on is being prepared to go at list price, offering list price, if not slightly above list price. Trying to put down more of a down payment, shortening your inspection period. So in Arizona, it's a 10-day inspection period. Sometimes you don't need a full 10 days. So shortening it to perhaps 5, 6, 7 days could help. We do have certain ways that we can try and sweeten your deal and try to coach you through that process. Again, another reason to partner with an experienced agent that knows how to get your offer to the top, or at least try to, in such a competitive market. So wanted to put my 2 cents on what's going on there. If you're a buyer and you're feeling defeated, hang in there. It will happen. What's meant to be will be, and that perfect home is out there for you. Get tough skin. Just remain on course and trust that it will happen. Thanks for watching. Have a great week. If there's anything that my team and I can do for you this week, please feel free to DM me, or as always, email me at katie@baccusrealtygroup.com. Thank you.